The European Twinning Project Lysocil addresses a scientific strategy to reinforce research and innovation excellence in the study of lysosomal diseases, with a special attention to the diagnosis and understanding of the causes of these diseases. Lysosomes are intracellular compartments that serve as degradation and signaling centers of the cell. Lysosomes use specialized proteins called enzymes to digest different types of molecules taken up by the cell and recycle defective proteins and damaged cellular structures. Therefore, lysosomes function as a recycling station. Defects in these functions cause the accumulation of undigested macromolecules in lysosomes, resulting in cellular damage. This leads to the onset of lysosomal storage diseases, a group of over 50 disorders. Lysosomal storage diseases are individually rare, but collectively affect 1 in 5,000 live births worldwide, and in Portugal, 1 in 4,000 live births. The most common symptoms of these disorders include seizures and dementia, enlargement of the spleen and liver, and abnormal bone formation. At CEDOC, the Chronic Diseases Research Centre of Nova Medical School, we investigate disorders that affect a specialized intracellular compartment related to lysosomes called melanosome. Melanosomes are the site of synthesis and storage of melanin, the pigment that protects skin cells from ultraviolet radiation and gives color to hair and skin. Defects in melanosome function and transport can lead to rare genetic disorders, including Shediakigashi syndrome, Hermansky-Pudlak syndrome, and Griscelli syndrome.
At CEDOC, we also investigate age-related diseases that involve the accumulation of undegraded materials inside lysosomes, namely cardiovascular diseases, Alzheimer's disease, and age-related macular degeneration. In cardiovascular diseases and arteriosclerosis in particular, there is lysosomal dysfunction of the cells that make the arteries, and so these cells start to accumulate lipids inside the lysosomes, and this contributes to the progression of the disease. In Alzheimer's disease, a central feature is also the massive accumulation of misfolded protein aggregates caused by defective protein degradation machinery. And finally, in age-related macular degeneration, or AMD, there is lysosomal dysfunction of a particular cell type in the retina, and this is thought to be related with the progressive degeneration of the retina.
Most diseases affecting lysosomes or lysosome-related organelles remain incurable. Changing this reality by developing new therapies is a major challenge. Gene therapy and genome editing provide some hope, but in order to achieve this goal, research must continue. Through Lysocil, CEDOC is establishing a network to capacitate its researchers in the investigation of the molecular mechanisms and new therapies for these rare diseases. Lysocil, a new alliance in knowledge and research for a new hope in rare diseases.